If you've lost access to your Bybit account and can't use your phone number for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will walk you through the process. Step 1. Visit the Bybit login page. Go to the official Bybit website and navigate to the login page. Look for the option that says Forgot Password or Account Recovery. Step 2. Choose Recovery Method. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Check your email. If you opted for email recovery, check your inbox for a password reset link or recovery instructions sent by Bybit. Make sure to also check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it in your inbox. Step 4. Follow the instructions. Click on the link provided in the email and follow the instructions to reset your password or verify your identity. You may need to answer security questions or provide additional information. Step 5. Secure your account. Once you regain access, immediately update your security settings. Enable two-factor authentication 2FA and ensure your recovery options are up to date to prevent future access issues. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Bybit account without needing your phone number. Always remember to keep your recovery options secure and up to date.